Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clean up or how to change your Facebook region settings. Right, it's really easy. So first of all, you have to just go to your Facebook mobile application here, and once you're here on the top right, there's a profile icon. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you have to go to the settings. You can go to the settings from here, scroll down, and you will find the option of region, right, which is always in the preferences section. Right, so here as you can see, language and region. Just wait for a few seconds, and for example, if you want to change, you can change the language from here. You can select any language which is available, and then just tap on save. Now format for the dates, for the time, you can change it from here. Language you like to have a post translated into, I will select the English, but you can select any your local language here. Language you don't want to offer translation for, you can always select it from here. And there's a last one, language you don't want to automatically translate it. Right, so here you can choose it, and it's really easy. So once you have applied the settings, you don't need to save it or say tap on anything. Once you go back, automatically it will be saved, and once you get back to your feed, you will be able to see all the change. Right, so this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.